Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all for the daily predictions. We will be listening to the daily predictions for the day to all the zodiac signs, right from Aries to Pisces. I wish you all a good luck for the day. Keep this channel subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. Share it with your friends and groups.
25th of January 2021, and today's star is Mrigashirisha, the star of Mars. So Mars seems to be highly positive for the day, and it is ruler at Aries also. For the planetary positions to see, we can find Taurus at Mars at Aries, Rahu at Taurus, Ketu at Scorpio, Jupiter, Saturn, Sun and Mercury at Capricorn, and you can see Venus at Sagittarius and Moon at Taurus. For Aries, today as Mars is very strong at its own house, strong opportunities for those who are working in government associated jobs. So it's a good time for them. It's a good time for doctors, engineers and all. Job opportunities are there for those who are jobless for very long. It's a good time in business, mainly for the spiritual people who are doing business like selling books or spiritual articles like that. And in case of Taurus, as Moon is very strong, as Mars is very strong at the 12th house, there is strong expenses likely today. And hard work will yield them a very positive results. High conjunction of planets at the 9th house, some can expect some lucky prizes also. In case of Gemini, as Mars is very strong today at 11th house, good day for engineers and doctors, will be more profitable for them. Moon is at 12th house, it may bring some expenses also, and there's a strong conjunction of planets at 8th house, some may find the day very much tough also. In case of Cancer, as Mars is very strong at 10th house, some can get government based jobs, and those who are working in the government companies, they can find some good profits also. Moon is in the 11th house, will give good profits in investments like shares or mutual funds. Strong conjunction of planets at 7th house, some may find challenges in the business and work. In case of Leo, as Mars is very strong in the 9th house, some can get support and advices from their father as well as from their managers at the workplaces. So as Moon is at the 10th house, some can find good support in the workplace, and those who are jobless can find good job opportunities also. In case of Virgo, as Mars is strong at the 8th house, some may find the day very much stressful and very much tension in the workplace. So they should be careful in doing the work. As Moon is in the 9th house, it is reasonably good for them. Some may find some lucky day also. They can win out of certain prizes. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at 5th house, some can find good time with the children also. In case of Libra, as Mars is very strong at the 7th house, some may find issues and arguments with their life partners. Even they should be careful in the business also, because there may be conflicts between the business partners. Again, Moon is at the 6th house, some may find lack of confidence. There may be problems also, as Moon is in the 8th house, so there may be problems and tensions. In case of Scorpio, as Mars is very strong at the 6th house, some may win out of their enemies, because Mars being the owner of Scorpio also. And hard work can fetch them very positive results, as there is a good conjunction of planets at the 3rd house. Some can get good support from their younger brothers and sisters. For Sagittarius, as Mars is very strong at the 5th house, some can expect some support from their son or daughter today. They will give them money or help them and come and live to spend their time with this father and mother today. Again, Moon is very strong at the 6th house, some may find some stress also. Be careful in communication, as 2nd house seems to be highly conjuncted. In case of Capricorn, as Mars is very strong at the 4th house, some can get some small profits in share markets or investing in mutual funds like that. Moon is again strong in the 5th house, the children might study well. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at Capricorn in itself, indicates some may face some health related issues. In case of Aquarius, as Mars is very strong at the 3rd house, some may do hard work and complete lot of work today. They will be very much brisk and active. They will not be very lazy. Today seems to be very active for them. As Moon is very strong at the 4th house, Some may get some good profits in share markets and mutual funds and all. Hard work will definitely yield them positive results. Jobless people can get some good job opportunities also. In case of Pisces, as Mars today is very strong at the second house, they should be very much careful in communicating with others. As Moon is also strong, the third house, some may face lack of confidence also. So communication based jobs, they should be very much careful, because they should, while dealing with others, they should be very much careful. But the positivity is there is a good conjunction of planets at the 11th house. Some can get some good returns in the investments also. So these are all the predictions for the day. Thanks a lot. Again, we'll meet tomorrow.